viewers, welcome back. Ton of things, but for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Cash App invalid zip code error. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix your Cash App if it's getting or you're getting the zip code error or invalid zip code error here. Well, first things first is you want to double check your billing zip code. Now make sure the zip code you're entering matches exactly what your bank or debit card provider has on file. Now you can check this by logging into your online banking or calling your bank's customer service. Now even a small mismatch will cause the error. Also, try re-entering your card details. Sometimes just removing and re-adding the card fixes this issue. So when I open up Cash App here, go to your banking tab, tap link banks, then remove the card. Now add it again using the correct zip code, card number, CVV, and expiration date. Now also use a supported card here. Now Cash App doesn't accept most prepaid cards. If you're using one, switch to a regular debit card or link a bank account instead. Now, using an old version of Cash App here might cause bugs or errors. So you want to visit App Store or Google Play Store here and just search Cash App and tap on update if there's a new version. And finally, you may want to contact Cash App support. Now, if none of the steps before actually work, open Cash App here, tap your profile icon, scroll to support, select banking or card issues, and in this case, you will follow the prompts to get help here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.